Hey tubers, I just wanted to comment real quick here on the Husky 270 piece mechanics tool set that I just bought. It's really nice. Right now it's November of 2020, and this is a Black Friday deal, and I wasn't sure about it. 99 bucks, and of course, Husky has the lifetime warranty on their tools. I'm really impressed. The case is decent for being plastic, but I'm impressed with the selection of tools that are in here and the quality of what I saw so far. Like I don't have any Husky hand tools. Most of my stuff is Craftsman, but man, these are nice. These are really well done. This is a great kit. And you got the quarter, the 3/8, the half drive stuff in here. Sockets down in this drawer. Socket galore. And your deeps are down here along with the Allen wrenches. There's not a whole lot of filler in here. I know you got all this stuff in here. I say there's not a whole lot of filler. There's quite a few different types of Phillips and flatheads. But these anti-tamper Torx ones are always useful to have around. And then you got these, which I have found over the years more and more useful with the prevalence of the impact drivers. Things like that. Like it's a pretty good kit, I think, for the money. So if you were on the fence about it, I wouldn't be. If you needed something as a starter or a backup kit, I think this one will serve you well. There it is. 1004-251-603 is the part number, and hopefully if you're watching this and you're on the fence, this pushes you over. Go to Home Depot and go buy it.